Okay, these how to 1 minute will show you how to update your DNS records using the zone editor in cPanel. This is very easy process to edit your domain DNS records using zone editor. First of all, open your cPanel and scroll down. Under domain section, you will get zone editor, or you can find the zone editor using the search tools box. So open zone editor, and here you will get your domain. And now you can easily add a record or a CNAME record or a MX record to your domain from here. Now let's add a record. Enter the record name. And enter here the address. And click on add an a record. Once the record created, it's time to check the record has add date or not. To do that, I'm clicking on manage. And here we can see the a record I just add date using zone editor. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.